FastMCP 3 employs a decorator-based metadata system to customize tool registration, allowing developers to specify functional attributes through parameterized annotations. This approach enables precise control over tool identity and behavior without altering the core computational logic. We're about to examine how a simple arithmetic function gets transformed into a registered tool component through metadata customization, where the decorator parameters define the tool's interface characteristics. From FastMCP Tools, import tool. At tool, name equals add numbers. Description equals add two numbers together. Tags equals math, arithmetic. Def atta, float b, float float. Return a plus b. This code demonstrates how to customize tool metadata using the @tool decorator in FastMCP 3. The decorator accepts parameters like name, description, and tags to explicitly define the tool's identity and categorization, rather than relying on defaults derived from the function name and docstring. Here, the add function is decorated with a custom name, add numbers, a clear description, and relevant tags like math and arithmetic. The purpose of this metadata customization is to provide explicit control over how tools are presented and discovered in the system. While FastMCP can infer some metadata automatically, explicit declarations ensure consistency and clarity, especially when the function name might not be the most intuitive identifier for end users. The trade-off is verbosity versus automation, where explicit metadata requires more boilerplate but offers precise control over tool representation. This approach is particularly useful in larger systems where tool discovery and organization are critical for maintainability and user experience. Let's break it down. From FastMCP Tools, import tool. Imports the tool decorator from the FastMCP Tools module, enabling the creation of FastMCP-compatible tools with standardized metadata and execution interfaces. At tool, name equals add numbers. Description equals add two numbers together. Defines a tool decorator named add numbers with a description specifying it adds two numbers together. The decorator is configured with these two metadata fields to identify and document the tool's purpose. Tags equals math, arithmetic. Defines a set of tags containing the strings math and arithmetic for categorization purposes. Def atta, float b, float float. Defines a function named add that takes two parameters, O and b, both typed as float, and returns a float. The function signature declares the expected input types and return type, but does not include the implementation body. Return a plus b. Returns the sum of variables, A and b. The decorator-based metadata system in FastMCP 3 transforms a simple arithmetic function into a registered tool component by explicitly defining its interface characteristics. The @tool decorator serves as the bridge between the core computational logic, the add function, and the system's tool registry, where parameters like name, description, and tags customize how the tool is identified and discovered. This approach prioritizes clarity and consistency over automation, trading brevity for precise control, which becomes especially valuable in larger systems where tool organization and discoverability are critical. By decoupling the function's implementation from its metadata, developers maintain clean computational logic while ensuring the tool integrates seamlessly into FastMCP's ecosystem. The explicit declarations here, like renaming the tool to add numbers or tagging it under math and arithmetic, highlight the system's emphasis on user-centric design, where intuitive tool representation takes precedence over inferred defaults.
The @tool decorator claims a name, but the function silently rebrands itself in the shadows.